At Structural Concepts, we know the food service experience is important to college students. 54% of students say that food service offerings are a key part of why students choose one school over another. And while the prevalence of national food chains and local eateries may provide familiar and convenient food options for students, they also stand as direct competitors to the dining hall experience. The versatility Structural Concepts provides in serving more types of meal options via turnkey merchandisers and display cases encourages students to spend more money on food in dining halls rather than going elsewhere to eat. Making it easier for students to access meals tends to increase participation, often as much as 15 or 20%. Structural Concepts helps streamline student and faculty traffic flow with a variety of solutions within serving lines and/or near checkout with full-service and self-service options to complement existing food service menus, increasing opportunities to produce more revenue. And for those students who want dining options open 24/7, the autonomous retail merchandiser is the perfect solution. By holding 23% more food, having the ability to operate seamlessly 24/7 in remote locations, and providing 100% security and 100% inventory control and management, this merchandiser delivers a quick payback by generating 2 times more recurring profits versus the leading competition. By building merchandisers with the shortest lead times in the industry that last longer, save energy, and minimize operating costs, Structural Concepts provides a level of unparalleled value to schools and institutions by making it easier to display and sell more fresh food today and tomorrow. Structural Concepts, delivering fresh, always.